Hey plant lovers, welcome back to my channel today. I'm sharing a super cool tip to help your orchids bloom rice water. Yes, you heard that right, rice water. Many plant enthusiasts swear by this method, and I'm excited to share it with you. What is rice water? So what is rice water? It's simply the starchy liquid left over after soaking or cooking rice. And guess what? It's packed with micronutrients like B vitamins and nitrogen that can benefit your orchids. These nutrients can help promote root growth, increase plant vigor, and even encourage blooming. How to prepare rice water? To prepare rice water, simply soak a small amount of uncooked rice in clean water for a few hours. The general ratio is 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours, then strain the rice out and keep the liquid you can store. The rice water in the fridge for up to a week. How to use rice water for orchids. Now let's talk about how to use rice water for your orchids. Simply dilute the rice water with plain water and use it to lightly mist or water your orchids' roots about once a month. You can also use it as a foliar spray, but make sure to dilute it well to avoid burning the leaves. Orchid care tips. To get the best results, 1 is make sure to provide your orchids with bright, indirect light, 2, moderate watering, and 3 is high humidity. And 4 is, don't forget to fertilize them regularly, but avoid over-fertilizing. 5 is, you can also repart your orchids every 2 to 3 years to provide them with fresh potting media and promote healthy growth. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when using rice water for orchids. Don't use rice water that's too concentrated, as it can cause root burn. Don't overwater your orchids, as it can lead to root rot. And don't forget to monitor your plant's response to rice water, as it may not work for every plant. Orchids are one of the most beautiful and exotic flowers out there. They're a popular choice among plant enthusiasts, and for good reason. With over 30,000 species, there's an orchid for everyone. Do you have a specific question about orchid care or a particular type of orchid you'd like to know more about? Fertilizer. Feed your orchid with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer. Water carefully, as overwatering is common. Watering once a week is usually enough, but this can vary depending on the species and climate. Give rice water a try and let me know your results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more gardening content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. By implementing these tricks, you can encourage your orchids to grow fuller and bushier without pruning. Subscribe and share this knowledge to friends and family.